Mexican-style stuffed zucchini. Start by preheating the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Next, carefully cut 4 zucchinis in half lengthways. Use a small spoon to remove the flesh from the centre of each zucchini half, leaving a 5mm thick shell. Line a baking tray with baking paper and spray the zucchini shells with olive oil spray. Place them cut side down on a lined tray and cover with foil. Pop in the oven and bake for 15 minutes or until just tender. Meanwhile, heat a large frying pan over high heat. Add the mince and cook stirring with a wooden spoon to break up any lumps for 5 minutes or until the mince changes colour. Add the reserved zucchini flesh, Mexican seasoning, kidney beans and tomato. Bring to the boil. Then reduce the heat to medium. Simmer stirring every now and then for 10 minutes or until the sauce thickens slightly. Season with salt and pepper. Turn the zucchini shells cut side up. Spoon the mince mixture among each shell and sprinkle with cheddar. Pop back in the oven for 10 minutes or until the cheddar melts and is golden brown. To serve, sprinkle with chopped tomatoes and coriander. Featuring Mexican-inspired flavours and a cheesy topping, this budget-friendly meal is perfect for the whole family.